Greetings, how are you guys? I hope you guys are good. I'm good, guys. Hope you Africans are doing well. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Debos Kosana, and on this video I want us to talk about the sexual harassment, right? The sexual harassment that actually happens in the workplace, right? Let's deal about that matter. It's a sensitive matter, and it's a matter that has been brought into public attention, right? Following the tribunal that is currently taking place in Johannesburg. It's a tribunal that is investigating, right, the claims of sexual harassment against the Eastern Cape Judge President, right, Mr. Selby Mbenenge, right. Mr. Selby Mbenenge is accused of sexual harassment and is being accused by the Secretary of the Court, right, Miss Andiswa Mengo, right, Miss Andiswa Mengo. So I've been following the case. And even now, there's cross-examination